Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both devices for Passkey transfer and verification. Make sure both devices are updated to the latest system release and unlocked for about 30 seconds during setup. Use the same account or enable account recovery to sync passkeys before moving them. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and keep devices within 3-5 inches to pair reliably. Charge both devices to at least 20% and close distracting apps to reduce interruptions. Confirm device PIN or biometric access is working on each device beforehand. On the source device, navigate to Account Security and select Share Passkey or Export. Choose QR code display or nearby transfer depending on platform capabilities. If using QR, point the receiving device camera at the code and wait for confirmation. For nearby transfer, enable Bluetooth and accept the pairing prompt. The transfer usually completes in 30 to 90 seconds. Approve the transfer on both devices using biometrics or the device PIN. Watch for a success message and keep devices close until the process ends. After transfer, sign into your apps and websites on the new device to activate each passkey. When prompted, choose Sign in with Passkey for the account to register the new device. Create a cloud recovery backup or export a recovery code so you can recover access if a device is lost. Revoke passkey access from the old device in account settings to maintain security. Finally, test signing in on the new device within 2 to 3 minutes to confirm immediate functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.